Okay, so this is how we're gonna change the transmission oil on this mini Jeep 200cc Venom. Okay, you see that bolt right here? This is the drain bolt. The bottom one. It has a little bit of oil because I already lose it, but this one is a 17 millimeters. You just have to lose it a little bit. I'm gonna take it out. And we have our oil right there. Bolt is a 10 millimeter and one goes right here, but I already take it out because I want the airflow on all the deposit. So now it's dry. So we're gonna put this and later we're gonna clean everything. We're gonna take this a little bit. Okay. I find the other one. I'm gonna use this one. This is the right size for this type of transmission. 80W90. Also, I'm gonna use this. Like this. Okay. Okay, so in total, this transmission needs like 110 milliliters of oil, and that's it. It's around 6 of those. The bolt pack can hide it, and that's it. We're done. Okay, right there. We're good. We just have to clean it.